Hello, dear students. Today I am going to discuss Unit First Redox Titration of Paper 301 Analytical Chemistry. This is our second topic, that is redox titration. Now, what do you understand by the word oxidation, reduction, and then we have to discuss about the redox titration. Oxidation is defined as a loss of electron to an oxidizing agent to yield more positive or higher oxidation state. For example, ferrous ion is converted to ferric ion. Fe2 plus is converted to Fe3 plus by the loss of one electron. Copper is converted to cupric ion. Cu is converted to Cu2 plus by the loss of two electrons. In this way, Cl minus is converted to Cl2, that is chloride ion is converted to chlorine. In this, we can see that the first one, in case of first one, plus 2 is converted to plus 3, 0 is converted to plus 2 in case of copper, and in case of chloride to chlorine, minus 1 is converted to 0. Means you can understand by taking the examples, you can learn that there is a loss of electron to an oxidizing agent is known as oxidation. Reduction is defined as a gain of electron from reducing agent. Gain of electron from reducing agent to the, it gives more negative or lower oxidation state. In case of reduction, example of reduction is Ce4 plus is converted to Ce3 plus by gaining one electron. Steric form is converted to serous form. First example of oxidation and second example is of reduction. Now we can also understand, we can also study the word reduction oxidation reaction. It is also termed as redox, reduction plus oxidation, redox reaction. It is defined as the reaction which takes place rapidly to typically specific entities, one being a reducing agent and another one is oxidizing agent. A best example is H2 plus F2 gaseous. It is converted to 2HF, hydrogen fluoride, 2 moles of hydrogen fluoride. Hydrogen reacts with fluorine to gives 2 moles of hydrogen fluoride. Means oxidation and reduction is going on simultaneously in a reaction. Now we will see the overall reaction as two half reactions. Oxidation reaction, H2 is converted to 2H plus 2 electrons are given out. These 2 electrons which are given by the hydrogen are accepted by the fluorine to form 2F negative. There is a formation of 2F negative. See the second one. In the above reaction, H2 act as reducing agent whereas F2 act as oxidizing agent. Now what is the oxidizing agents, or what do you understand by the word reducing agents? Oxidizing agent is a substance that has the ability to oxidize other substance. Also we can say that they have a capacity to cause them to lose electron. They have a capacity to cause them to lose electron. Common oxidizing agents are oxygen, hydrogen peroxide, halogens, permanganate, chromate, osmium tetroxide, perchlorate. In this way, large number of oxidizing agents are there. Reducing agents are also termed as reducers. Oxidizing agents are termed as oxidizers, whereas reducing agents are termed as reducers. Oxidizing agents are also termed as oxidant, whereas reducing agents are called reductants. A reducing agent is a element or a agent or a compound that loses an electron to another chemical species in a redox chemical reaction. Since the reducing agent is a losing electron, it is said to have been oxidized. For example, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. This is all about the oxidizing agent, reducing agents. Here we have learned about the oxidation, reduction, redox reaction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. That's all for the today's lecture. Thank you.